Welcome to the first of a series of presentations designed to equip our Cope dealers with valuable tools needed to successfully design, sell, and install Cope products. This PowerPoint is designed to introduce you to our main product line, hardwood ventilated closet shelving. So, come on into our closet and we'll show you around. At Cope, we believe unique is an appropriate description for our shelving. It's different from wire shelving, even though the installation process is similar. It's different from melamine, and yet you can design a closet with Cope products that's as customized as a melamine closet. Except, it's all wood. And that's something many of your clients would be interested in if they had a choice. In fact, our ventilated shelving is made of 100% ash hardwood from trees born and bred in the USA. This is a feature that's becoming more and more important to educated consumers. And don't forget to mention, ash is the same wood used to make baseball bats. That's an easy way for clients to relate to how strong it is. Moving on, our broad product line allows you to design effectively at many different price points, and many dealers comment that offering Cope alongside their wire and melamine lines rounds out their closet lineup. Our goal is that you embrace the beauty and value of this unique closet system and learn as much as you can about it. To know it is to love it. Another great thing about our product line, 10 beautiful finishes. There are 3 price points among our finishes. Our clear natural finish is considered our stock finish. It is the least expensive finish and also the most popular. Close behind in popularity is our white. We call it picket fence. And rounding out the top 3 is walnut, a very dark finish that begins with a waterborne dye. At Cope, we have 2 broad product lines, shelving and closet cabinetry. Shelving makes up 93% of our business, so we are very excited you have chosen to learn more about it. Many times, new dealers assume our cabinetry line is our mainstay, and shelving is something we do on the side to fill in the blanks. But in reality, it's the other way around. We've been a leading manufacturer of hardwood ventilated shelving since 1993. Our closet cabinetry line, which includes benches, dressers, towers, and islands, was added many years later. Now, let's take a look at our famous hardwood shelving and all the parts and pieces up close and personal. Our premium ventilated wood shelving is not just wood, it's solid hardwood. Hardwood ventilated shelving couples the strength of wood plank shelving with the function of ventilated storage. Hardwood slats are available in 2 sizes. Our LS line has 7/8 inch wide slats, and our ES line has 1 3/4 inch wide slats. Premium solid shelving is made of 3/8 inch ash or maple plywood with the same front and back rail as ventilated shelving. Ventilated shelving is available in 4 depths, from 9 to 16 inches. Stock length for ventilated shelving is 12 feet, but it is also available in 8, 10, and 11-foot lengths. If you order LS 1210, you would receive our linen shelf, 12 inches deep, 10 feet long. If you order LS 908, you would receive our linen shelf 9 inches deep and 8 feet long. LS 1212 refers to our 12-inch deep linen shelf, 12 feet long, or you can simply state LS 12 and the 12-foot stock length is understood. We call our shelving with extra wide slats Elegance Shelving. The item numbers and product sizes are very much the same as our LS shelving. However, we do offer a 20-inch deep Elegance shelf in an 8-foot length. So, as you can see, our strong, beautiful, functional, ventilated shelving is available in a variety of factory sizes. Dealers cut our factory length shelving to the exact size as needed for the project at hand in your warehouse or on the job site. Here are a couple of tips that may help you remember the item numbers for our ventilated shelving. LS stands for linen shelf, but it could be associated with little slats. ES stands for elegance shelving, but it could be associated with extra wide slats. Our solid shelving is particularly popular in pantries. It may also be a desirable shelf for shoe storage and a good choice for game and puzzle storage. Plywood is stronger and lighter weight than MDF. Your installers will be happy about this. It has greater moisture resistance and a natural wood grain, so you are sure to have happy clients as well. Solid shelving is only available in 8-foot factory lengths, but it does come in a wide variety of depths. Our DSS line is 3/8-inch plywood with hardwood front and back rail. Our ST line is 1/2-inch plywood with hardwood front rail, but it doesn't have a back rail. We offer a 20-inch deep shelf in this line. More helpful tips for remembering part prefixes: DSS has 3 letters and is 3/8-inch plywood. ST has 2 letters and it is 1/2-inch plywood. Our closet shelving system is made up of shelving, component parts, and hardware. All parts are sold separately. The first part we'll look at is the garment rod, or GR. We offer a basic hardwood garment rod. This rod is strong, durable, and an economical way to get the job done. We also offer a premium garment rod known as PGR. This rod incorporates a vinyl strip along the top that allows your hangers to glide easier across the rod. You may be thinking that you will definitely use PGR, and it is a very popular upgrade. But keep in mind both are equally functional. When bidding for builder work, GR is preferable as it doesn't add extra dollars to your price. In retail sales, PGR is preferable because individual buyers definitely tend to like the easy slide feature. The next component part we'll look at is our standard garment rod connector, or GRC. These tiny 3.5-inch parts pack a big punch, as they form the essential connection between the front rail of the shelf and the garment rod. For upgraded interior connections, a CSC, or continuous slide connector, may be used. This attractive, powder-coated metal part performs the function of a GRC with the added popular free slide feature. This picture illustrates correct usage of continuous slide connectors. The standard GRC must be placed at each end of a garment rod for proper support and to keep hangers from sliding off the garment rod. Any shelf, metal, wood, or melamine, will only perform to its potential if it has proper support. To achieve proper support with cope shelving, diagonal support arms, also known as SAs, must be installed anytime wall-to-wall shelving is over 40 inches. Shoe shelving supports, or SSS, are cut so the shelf is supported at an angle. This is a popular application for shoe storage. It is very important that you and your installers read our installation manual thoroughly and learn everything about proper placement of this essential part. When supporting a stack of shelving, A support pole is the most effective choice. Multiple shelves may be connected to a single pole, making it an effective, strong, and economical choice. Since we have covered all the essential parts, we'll move on to installation hardware. The back clip with anchor, or BAC, attaches the shelf to the back wall. It is essential to a factory-approved, properly supported installation. Injection molded back clips are strong and economical, easy to install, and believe it or not, made in the USA. And they come in 4 attractive colors. We actually have 2 versions of this part. The newer version has a lip added that holds the shelf in place during the installation process. While some dealers like this added feature, in areas where steel studs are popular, the walls can be so out of square that the lip can actually hinder your installers. Please check with your sales rep and he will be able to help you decide which back clip will work best for you. Wall-in brackets, or webs, support the front rail of the shelf on each side wall. Like our back clip, this injection molded part is strong, inexpensive, easy to install, and made in the USA. For even faster installations, our hardware is compatible with slight modification to some popular wire templates. And for your utmost convenience, we offer our own installation template as well. Cope has 2 web styles. Our newer web has a vertical hole pattern and also features anchors. The slight profile of this web makes it particularly attractive for a plastic part. Shelf end caps and rod end caps, seen in this picture, are optional, but a nice finishing touch that is fast and easy. If you prefer to take the time to sand your cut ends and use a touch-up kit to finish them, that is also an excellent option. We also offer a back rail end cap that is very handy on open ends. We have now covered hardware, basic parts, and upgrades, but before we wrap up this presentation, let's take a look at a few specialty parts. First, we have our custom wood wall end brace. This is the perfect solution when your client doesn't want plastic hardware. This part is growing in popularity and is not a super expensive upgrade. Please keep in mind that C-Web does slow down your installation process a bit, at least until your installers get in a groove with it. Panels may be used in place of support poles in higher-end designing. End panels are a useful way to dress up open-end shelf stacks. An end panel is a 3/8" vertical plywood panel with a front rail attached. The front rail of the panel serves the same purpose as a support pole, and the plywood forms a cover to the open-end stack. 3/4" edge-banded plywood support panels provide necessary interior support and separate the various sections of your design. This panel lends itself to giving a boxier look to your designs. A support panel can also function as an end panel. For this reason, they are more popular than end panels, giving continuity throughout your design. Support panels are also in the Live Storage catalog. Panels are considered a pricey upgrade compared to their basic counterpart, the support pole. But keep in mind, the beauty of designing with hardwood ventilated shelving is there are other less expensive options for support when your design calls for longer sections of the same configuration. Unlike other systems, you do not need a panel every 24 to 30 inches. In this picture, the longer double hang section is supported by SAs at the proper points. The one panel, as opposed to two or three, dresses up your design without adding as much expense. The last part we will cover in this presentation is our adapter rod. This rod was designed to enable you to attach a garment rod to a 16-inch deep shelf. 12-inch shelving is specifically designed to be used with garment rod, as the weight from the hangers and clothing is properly placed 12 inches from the back wall. This adapter rod keeps the weight from hangers and clothing properly placed 12 inches from the back wall, while taking advantage of the additional storage space a 16-inch deep shelf offers. We hope this presentation has been a beneficial opportunity to learn more about our hardwood shelving from the convenience of your home or office. Please feel free to contact our office at 800-809-2423 if you have questions or if you would like to make an appointment for your sales rep to call on you. Also, let us know if you need a complete product guide. This guide is an essential reference to keep handy as you design with the Cope product line. Thank you for spending your valuable time in a Cope closet.